My experience this semester in the eClinic mentorship program has been really cool. I've gotten out of it so much more than I was expecting, in part because it was really easy to put in effort and time into the program. And from the start in January, when I sent out my first question to the pool of mentors, I got full responses. I'm incredibly grateful for the time that they've given to the program and the advice that they've offered me. It's been a really cool year. I am actually interning with a company that mentors for the eClinic program this summer. I'm very grateful to have had the opportunity to work with the eClinic, and I look forward to continuing developing myself as an entrepreneur.